So we want to find the angle here. Okay, so in order to do that, let's first look at this triangle. Okay, so we can figure out what this angle is, right? This angle. That angle is just, if I use tangent, right? If I call this x, tangent of x is just going to be the opposite over adjacent. So that's 20 over 45. And so clearly isolating for x, you can get x to be this angle, 20 over 45, right? The tan inverse of that. And now, instead of looking at this angle, let's look at, right, this big triangle here. Right, so then the angle I'm talking about is this big one. Okay, so here, if I call this y, right, tangent of y is just equal to now, right, the opposite is now 10 plus 20, so that's 30 over the adjacent, which is 45. Okay, so that means y is then tan inverse of this fraction. Right, so then if I do y minus 6, that'll give me the angle that I want. Right, this will be equal to angle ADB. Okay, so plug in for y and x here, and you get 9 points, or in this case, just 10 degrees rounded.